The ERP is a critical pillar for RMAs and for the downstream information about where the things are in the field, but it's only one pillar of the story. I still need midstream, my MES on my factory floor, and I need to look upstream at the quality of the supplied parts that I'm getting in. That is the big framing of what we want to do. If you can look at all of those and you have access to that data, congratulations, you're in like the 1%, because in my career, I haven't always had access to all that data. What I've always had is little bits and pieces here and there. And then through heroic efforts, the teams that I've been working with would collect all of the rest. 6 weeks later, we might finally have the data that we need to resolve the problem. Hopefully it's not gotten worse in those 6 weeks. That my big message is the ERP is one of many foundational pillars that you need to be looking at to drive high quality, but it's not enough on its own, and the best quality programs that I've ever seen incorporate downstream information, i.e. ERP, midstream information, by which I mean the 4 factory walls and your quality system and your MES, and upstream information in whatever system is appropriate. Sometimes it's in an SCP tool, sometimes you have a specialized data interchange, and sometimes it's literally stored at your supplier and they allow you to go audit those things. In either case, you need all 3, and clearly the ERP is not the only home, and it's not the ERP's fault. Steve?
One of my mentors, Walker Reynolds, would say, your business doesn't happen in the ERP. It happens on the plant floor. And what you're talking about, Glenn, is really it's the digital supply chain.